making super cool shaving cream dyed eggs. A great craft for some Easter fun! So, are you ready to dye some eggs?
Yes!
Let's go!
For these super cool eggs, you will need a few hard-boiled eggs that I've soaked in vinegar for 20 minutes, some shaving cream, some neon food gel, some paper towels, an aluminium pan, a rubber spatula, a plastic spoon or skewer, and some rubber gloves. If you are looking for a fun and unique way to decorate eggs, this is the perfect craft for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Fill the aluminium pan with shaving cream until it's about an inch thick. Then, smooth it out with a rubber spatula. Step 2. Drip the food coloring onto the shaving cream, but don't be afraid to be generous with the colors. The more you use, the brighter your eggs will be. Now, use a toothpick or a skewer to swirl and marble your food coloring droplets. Egg decorating and painting started around 2,500 years ago. Step 3. Put on some rubber gloves. Then pick up the hard-boiled eggs and roll them into the shaving cream, coating them completely. Carefully place the egg onto a paper towel and let it dry for about 20 minutes. Did you know that egg dyeing is a common and fun Easter tradition? Step 4. Now gently wipe the remaining cream off with a clean paper towel to reveal your colorful marbled pattern. Wow! These eggs look so amazing!
All done! These eggs look amazing!
And they were so much fun to make. So, what do you think?
Let us know in the comments below.
Well, we have to go now, but thank you for watching. And please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel
Subscribe.
for more amazing crafts. See you all next time. Goodbye.